Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about how to stay motivated. In today's competitive environment and especially in this lockdown, the thing that we need the most is motivation. To complete a task or a project, the main thing that we need is motivation. But where are you going to get this motivation from? Sometimes it's not important to understand what or how, but you need to understand why. Why you have undertaken a task or a project. If you can simply find the answer to why you have taken a project, then it may be so that that reason itself will help you to stay motivated till you complete the project. Next, define your goals. There is a good old saying that never fail to plan or never plan to fail. What I mean to say is that if you have a visual representation of your goal, then that itself will help you to stay motivated. Because here you will be able to see in your plan or in your timeline what you have to do next or what you have to do now. Then it will help you to turn your thoughts, your processes into actions. And this in return will help you to stay motivated. Next, have a clear vision of your goal. Imagine the grandest possible success that you will be able to achieve or that you can actually imagine, because that particular image or that particular vision will resonate with your heart and will compel you to do the task, and in return it will keep you motivated to complete your task. Also, do not just set a goal, make a plan and dream on about it. What you will have to do is break your entire plan into small steps, because this will be the stairs that you will have to climb in order to reach your goal. When you are looking forward to the grandest vision of your goal, do not only think about yourself. Look into the bigger picture. Think how you are going to affect your surrounding, what people are going to think about you, what respect you're going to earn, what accomplishments you're going to achieve. Think about all this, and this will help you to stay motivated as well. Also, when we are thinking about something for all day long and it is continuously going on in our subconscious mind, it so happens that we tend to think about it in negative terms. This is the time when you should take control of your thoughts and actions. Always think of positive things. Keep it in affirmative state, because when you think positive and act positively, only then you will be able to take the right decisions. Next, remember, when back in school we could not solve a certain problem in a certain method, we used to find another way of doing it, maybe back calculation. Well, same applies for real life. When you're not getting the answer or not being able to reach your goal through a certain method, then try to see your task or your problem from a different perspective, and then try to follow that new method that you have found for yourself. Next, try to stay organized. Also, try to be more efficient and more productive. You should always keep your workplace clean and uncluttered. Remember, loud music will help you to get more energized and do better workouts, but only calm and soothing music will help you to stay focused. Now, what if you do not like the task that you have undertaken or you have to do? So, what I would suggest is that try to add elements that you like to the task that you don't like overall. For example, I know someone who keeps chocolates in his study table, in the drawer of his study table, so that when he thinks about chocolates, he has to go near the study table in order to get the chocolate from the drawer, and also this leads him to sit there and study for at least some time, or attracts him to his workplace so that it leads to some productivity. Now, what I mean to say by the example is that try to make it fun. Whatever be the task, try to make it fun. Next, do not do multitasking. Now, if you do multitasking, then what happens is you break down your focus, your attention into smaller parts, which actually lessens your chances of being successful. For the rest, as we all know, do not get distracted, stay focused, do not procrastinate. That's all for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.